Section 5C, qualitative and quantitative data types. These are pretty easy to get. There are two data types. You have qualitative. Qualitative describes, I swear I can talk, describes quantities of non-numerical categories. In other words, it is letters. Generally. That's why it's got an L in it for the letters. Quantitative represents data that counts or measures. In other words, it is usually numbers. That's why it has the N in it for numbers. I'm saying you'll be able to remember that. So if you look down here in example 1, it says brand names of shoes in a customer survey. Brand names means that it's going to be full of letters, so that's going to be qualitative. Heights of students, heights are going to be numbers, so that's quantitative. And then audience ratings of a film on a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 means excellent. This one's the one that might get you. On a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 means excellent. This one has letters and numbers because 5 means excellent. It's got the 5, so that's the numbers, and it's got the excellent, so that's the letters. So when we have non-numerical categories, that's what this is talking about. A scale, category, puts it into a scale. You're going to categorize it by putting it on a scale. So that's a qualitative. It's the only time a number ends up in the letter category is when it's in a scale from 1 to 5 and it tells you what the 1 to 5 means. It makes the 1 to 5 mean something with letters, because that really means you're really doing letters, not numbers. The numbers don't actually count anything. That's the ticket. The numbers aren't actually counting or measuring anything. So, now that we've discussed that, you should be able to do example 2. So go ahead, pause the video, and you try example 2, A through H. Go ahead. You can do it. Go on. Okay. So now, eye color of students in a class. Qualitative, very good. The responses of customers in a satisfaction survey that used a scale from 0 to terrible, F fantastic. I thought it might get you, but I'm sure that it didn't. Qualitative. Home prices in a small town. Prices are numbers, so that's quantitative. Daily snowfall in inches, that's numbers, so that's quantitative. See, I told you this wasn't hard. Flavors of ice cream sold in a delicatessen. That's qualitative. Breeds of all cats at an animal rescue shelter. Breeds are the kind of cats. Those are in letters. That's qualitative. The annual salaries of NBA basketball players. They make some money. Money is numbers. Quantitative. Gold medal count of each team in the 2016 Olympics. It's a count. That's a number. Quantitative. Not hard. Leads us to frequency tables. Probably needs to be a new recording. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.